something I wanted to talk to you guys about today is how can I solve number sentences? So I know that 1 plus 1 is 2. And I know that without having to do a lot of work. But when we start getting the number sentences like 17 minus 7, it gets harder. Or when we do 6 plus 8, it gets harder. So I wanted to talk about a couple things that we can do to solve number sentences. We can use counters. These are like the red and yellow cards that I gave you at the beginning of the year. But if you've lost those, you can also use toys. Like just use a bunch of coins or some cereal or Legos, things that you can use to count with. How I solve a problem a lot of times is draw a picture. So get out a piece of paper and a pencil and draw a picture. You can also use your number path and your number line. Those can be used to help you. You could also make a 10 frame. We spent a lot of time in kindergarten talking about 10 frames. Use that. You also have your pink strategy board that you can use to help you get ideas. Let's add some more. You could also use your fact family paper. And lastly, your number bonds or your part whole paper. All of those are tools that are there to help you. There is one tool that I don't want you guys using, and that tool is your fingers. I don't want you guys solving number sentences on your fingers because you only have 10 fingers. So what are you gonna do when you run out of fingers? And don't tell me your toes, because what are you gonna do when you run out of 20? Okay, so find one of these things that works best for you and use that. Stay away from your fingers. Okay, they're there in case of emergency, but we want to find different ways to solve our problems because we will run out of fingers.